Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. So now that we have a basic understanding about what cybersecurity is, what are different concepts in cybersecurity, what goes into building a secure system, and also what aspects of data we are trying to protect, it's time for us to understand some of the most common cybersecurity attacks. Starting off with man in the middle attack. Suppose we have two communicating parties which are having some private conversation. Let's say this party is called Arushi and this party is called Maya, and they are having some private conversation. And an attacker places himself or herself in between this conversation. Okay, so these two parties are unaware that the attacker can now listen to whatever they are talking about, and they continue to have their private conversation. But now the attacker can listen, basically eavesdrop on their communication. So that's what man in the middle attack is. So a man in the middle attack is where an attacker is able to intercept the communication between two communicating parties. These two parties can be anything. For example, a device communicating to a remote server, a handwritten letter which is uh, let's say which you want to send to your friend, or maybe just two people communicating over phone, right? The attacker can not only listen to the communication that's happening, but he can also make changes to the communication which can lead to conflicts between two communicating parties. So a very basic diagrammatical representation. Let's say these two parties are having a very nice, happy, good conversation, and an attacker eavesdrops himself on this, on the communication channel that they're using to communicate. Now the communication will flow to and from the attacker. He can not only listen to what's happening, what they are talking about, but he can also make changes to the conversation, which can obviously lead to confusion and conflicts between two communicating parties. So that's what man in the middle attack is. Let's try to understand how do we deal with the man in the middle attack, or how do we protect ourselves from man in the middle attack.